Standing water is one of the most common problems in gravel parking lots. Puddles create safety concerns, contribute to potholes, and increase maintenance costs over time. In this demonstration, we're evaluating whether scarification can improve drainage in a gravel parking lot experiencing significant ponding after rainfall. Over time, traffic compacts the gravel surface. Fine particles such as dust, silt, and clay fill the spaces between larger stones, creating a dense layer that prevents water from draining properly. As a result, rainwater becomes trapped on the surface, leading to persistent standing water. To address this issue, the surface was scarified. Scarification uses ripper teeth to loosen the compacted gravel layer and restore void spaces between aggregate particles. These voids allow water to move through the surface rather than remaining trapped above it. The initial results were impressive. As scarification progressed, standing water disappeared from the treated areas while puddles remained in the sections that were left untouched. This demonstrated that surface compaction was a major factor contributing to the drainage problem. However, the demonstration also revealed an important limitation. Because the work was performed while the gravel and underlying soil were still wet, the scarification process mixed fine material into the aggregate. The result was significant clumping and an uneven surface condition. This is a common challenge when scarifying saturated areas. While the scarified areas initially drained well, the improvement proved temporary. Following the next rain event, standing water returned to many of the same locations. This indicates that scarification alone did not fully address the underlying drainage issues. Scarification can restore permeability by breaking up compacted layers, but long-term success often requires additional measures such as restoring proper crown, improving surface grading, and addressing saturated subgrade conditions. Without positive drainage, water will continue to find and occupy low spots. The type of aggregate used also plays an important role. For maximum drainage, clean, angular crushed stone with minimal fines provides the greatest permeability. However, these materials can shift under traffic and generate maintenance challenges. For most gravel parking lots, a well-graded crushed aggregate offers the best balance of stability and drainage. The key takeaway from this demonstration is that scarification can provide immediate improvements by breaking up compacted gravel and allowing trapped water to infiltrate. However, when performed in wet conditions, it can also bring fines to the surface and create clumping that limits long-term effectiveness. For lasting results, scarification should be combined with proper grading, drainage management, and appropriate aggregate selection. Together, these factors determine how effectively a gravel parking lot handles water and resists future ponding. Understanding both the benefits and limitations of scarification help property owners make more informed decisions about gravel lot maintenance and drainage improvement.